TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. We're going to go back down memory lane because we have some historical things that are happening today. Back in 1987, the Dow was making a high on the 25th of August. It was called harmonic convergence because there were 5 planets at that particular point. At 2700, folks, it was completing an A, B, C, D pattern to 2700 from the the earlier morning it was June through August. It rallied that much. From around 1800, it was an A, B, C, D measuring right there. The reason I know that, it was in the book I was writing, Astro Cycles, the Trader's Viewpoint. And then, of course, we had this big move. We came down into the solar eclipse on the 26th of September. We rallied 8 days up. And to the 61% retracement of that high was a Tuesday, and there was a conjunction of Venus, opposition conjunction at that point, and from there you see the market came down. There was the 16th of October, and then you remember what happened on the 19th, and then the market went sideways for a while, and from there it went to the high we made so far is 69. Whatever it was, 69,000 or 6,900. Oh, the Dow was at 48.5. So it went from this level here of 1,700 to 48.5 over the next 35 years. But we're going to look at some historical things because they're happening right now, and they don't happen this way all the time. But when they do, it usually means something. But this is really important today, folks, what we're watching here today, because this is history, and it's going to be really interesting to see what happens. And there's a giant fight going on, as you know, in the market. We have lower Russell, lower Dow, but the Dow's coming back real strong, and so the other things. So we're going to see what happens here. So we'll be right back. So stay with us. We got some interesting things to look at. So we'll be right back.